In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a closed throttle position learn on a 2017 INFINITI Q60 using the X-431 torque. First select INFINITI. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm the van and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm the vehicle and select OK. Select System Selection. Select Engine Control Module. A system info screen will appear. Select OK. Select Special Function. Select CLSDTHL Post Learn. A system info screen will appear. Please read and select OK. Select Start to begin. Once complete, select the back arrow, and that's how to perform a closed throttle position learn on a 2017 INFINITI Q60.